7th grade students, this is your ELA and History video for Friday, October, I cannot remember the date, October 9th, 2020. I am going to combine history with this video because a lot of kids have been having issues being able to watch the history videos. So I'm just going to put them together into one. So you only have to watch one video today, but you do need to make sure you have your work with you. So to start with, you are going to be recording your how-to speeches and emailing them or texting them to me. It will probably be easier for you to email them because you can email a lot bigger document than you can text. So you are able to do that. You're just going to email it to the email address that's on your cover letter that I give you every week. That is it for that assignment. You can, of course, text if you have questions, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. For your vocab, you have legis, it means law, and I gave you the word legislature. I was interested in how the legislature worked to pass laws for the community. So legis always means law, and you can see it in other words like legal and legislate. So those are the two words I gave you. Your suffix is ish, origin, nature, or resembling. And so the example word is foolish. This means resembling a fool, acting like a fool. She looked so foolish with the pie smashed on her face. Words to look up: clownish, impish, or any other words you want to use that end with ish. Except fish, because that is a word that by itself it just has ish in it. It's not a suffix. So, summary questions. Answer the questions 29 through for chapters 29 through 31 and make sure you get on Zoom because I will probably be giving you some of these answers, so make sure you're there for that. And then today you're going to read chapter 32 to the end of Stargirl. So you guys will be finished reading the book, and when we come back from the break, we will do some final assignments and then a quiz and the final test. And we will go through all of that last week. I'm sorry, that next week of school, which is 2 weeks from now, or a week and a half from now. So the final thing you need to know for today is your Friday assignment for history, which is for you to complete When Did Rome Reign? It's the assignment that's in your newspaper, and you're going to put the events in the correct order. Remember that the times listed as BCE are a countdown from greatest to least, biggest to smallest, and the times listed as CE are counting up from least to greatest, so they're going from 0 up. So just like on a number line, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's kind of how you can picture this. So the before common era would fall where negative numbers would go. So you are going to be working on this assignment, and I totally already recorded this, and it got messed up. And so some of my stuff is already done, but I'm still going to show it to you guys again. So you are going to find the largest BCE number, and that will go in the first spot. And the largest BCE number is 753 BCE. So you are going to put that in that first spot on the left-hand side. And you are going to write 753 BCE, the founding of Rome. And that is what you are going to write there. Okay, next to it, you will find the next smallest number, which is 509 BCE, and it says Rome becomes a republic. It then says a republic is a type of government where people are elected by citizens, and there's not just one person in complete power. But you don't need to write all that. You just need to write that first phrase, Rome becomes a republic. Then you will find the next largest one, and the next largest BCE is 31 BCE because there are only 4 of those. So 31 BCE before Common Era says Greece is taken over by the Roman Empire. Greece is taken over by the Roman Empire. That's going to go in the third one. You have to find the fourth one. I'm not going to give that to you. I've already given you a lot of them. So I'm not going to give you the fourth one. But then to figure out the other ones, you can start. So there's only one more BCE, and then 80 CE. Looks like 80 CE is the smallest. So 80 CE is going to go in the third spot on the left-hand column, and 80 CE, it says the Colosseum is built. So that is going to go there because your last BCE needs to be here. So that goes there. The other option is you can go from the bottom up with the BCE. So you would start with the biggest one and then go backwards from there. So 476 CE, the end of the Roman Empire, that's the largest CE number. The second largest CE number is right here. 395 CE, Rome splits into two separate empires. So you need to go through, you need to find that BCE one. You need to find the other three and put them in the correct order. Should be fairly simple. And yeah, the one final thing that you guys need to know for today is the word of the day, and it is Yoda, not to be confused with Baby Yoda. I'm talking about grown-up adult Yoda. So you can send me a picture, you can send me a meme, you can send me the word YODA. Send it to me. Make sure you get that done before you go on your break. And otherwise, I will see you guys on Monday, October 19th for drop off and pickup day. And we will get back to co-assemble and Zoom meetings on October 20th. Have a great week off. Do something super fun. Keep it in your brain so that if I ask you about it later, you can tell me. And otherwise, I will see you guys later. Bye.